Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.